Hey guys, what's going on? Chef Bra coming at you live. Just want to give you guys a little feedback on the project I got going on. 2011 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. I just put the new exhaust in. It's the Mbrp off-road exhaust. I have the JW speaker headlights, JW speaker fogs, rough country spotlights. Soon to be a new light bar, but with time. Show you guys a little fun I had last weekend. Yeah, went down a trail that was too tight, but that's what the metal ones are for, right? All right, let me get this video started. So that's it, cold start. Got the Superchips set up going. It's currently 43 degrees out. But yeah, this is the cabin noise. Let me know what you guys think. All right.